is October the 6th, 2015. We're currently standing on Isaac's pulling unit. That's 7F oil and gas. I'm going to let Isaac explain to you what he's doing to this well today. Get it up close where you can hear. Talk loud. Yeah, talk loud.
So tell us, what does a pulling unit do and what does it consist of? What are these two trucks?
Pulling unit pulls the tubing and the rods out of the hole. Testing truck to test the tubing, make sure it's not in the bad pipe.
And why do you have to do that to the well?
Make sure it's not in the hole.
Okay.
What happens is sometimes when the rods go in and out of the tubing so many times, you get rod wear and it rubs a hole in the tubing. So what he does, he goes through and he pressures up on it, or the well goes down. They got a pump truck behind you, and they'll go through and pressure up on it, see if there's a hole in it, and if there is, they'll get a tubing tester truck out here to test each joint of tubing going in the hole. And then they'll hang it back on and put it back online. What we have behind us is a 1929 pulling unit. Manual. Isaac's dad's been operating since he was a little boy. Isaac is Manuel's son. They both have only worked for 6S Properties, which that was the currently operator of this property. Have two floor hands. One of them is tong operator, one of them is a pipe tugger. Takes 3 guys to run this rig. We're on a regular pulling unit. It takes 4 guys, one up in the derrick, and 2 guys on the floor and the operator. Again, they're just reworking this well and getting it ready to pump again.
And what other instances does a pulling unit need to come out to a well? For instance, one of our other projects.
So what you just not seeing, what happened is when they're pressuring up the tubing, it had a leak in there and it's showing that there's a collar leak, so they're going to either find out why it's leaking or change the collar out. Most of the time when they pressure up on it, it will either split the pipe like this, and it shows you a rod wear right there. There's another one. So it pressures up and it finds a weak spot in it. Then that way when they're hang the well back on and get it pumping, it should run for a year, you know, without no problems. Where most people don't never want to spend this money and do it the right way. So that right there is what we got going on today. We're inspecting the pipe coming out of the hole and going in the hole. Thank y'all.